A group of Kaitaia students have come up with an innovative plan to breathe new life into their community. Tasty Tio is a business run by students at Parengarenga Harbour, located around an hour and a half north of Kaitaia. With a little help from Moana, New Zealand and Taiao Earthcare, a nationwide sustainable enterprise training organisation, the students began growing oysters in their own backyard.
They walk home and they walk in their doors, and you see them when you drop them off. They walk in proud. They walk in standing really tall. We'd been out for 12, 14 hours. They got back, the neighbours, rolled out their door, and they go, "Oh, where you guys been?" And the boys go, "Oh, we were just up at the farm." And they go, "Oh, you oyster farm up there, eh?" And they go, "Yeah." And these other guys, they go, "Mean, bro."
For me, you just being able to run our own little business at the age of 16 and 17.
Later on, when I'm a little bit older, I might want to run my own oyster farm business and give back to what my community has given to me and help youth.
Tasty Tio goes beyond getting kids out of the classroom and simply growing oysters. It's about breathing life into the region and helping the next generation learn key skills that will help them later in life.
Northland is beautiful and it's got loads and loads of opportunities, but there's not many jobs. And I think it's kind of them seeing that they can change, they can use a facility like the harbour as an opportunity.
Because there's plenty of young people around inside the area that actually are hands-on, but they follow different types of aspirations or pathways that may not be beneficial to themselves, their families, and maybe the environment. But yeah, it's good to lend a helping hand, just like how Papatai has done for us, and it's good to give back.